You use these car features almost every day, but chances are you're using at least a few of them the wrong way. These small mistakes can reduce safety, waste fuel, or even damage your car over time. Here are 10 car features that many drivers use incorrectly, and the number one mistake is incredibly common. 10. Hazard lights. Many drivers switch them on during heavy rain or while driving normally. Hazard lights are mainly for emergencies or when your vehicle is stopped, because they can make your intentions less clear to other drivers. 9. High beam headlights. High beams are great on dark roads, but using them in traffic can temporarily blind oncoming drivers. Always switch to low beams when another vehicle is nearby. 8. Cruise control. It's designed for steady highway driving, not heavy traffic, sharp curves, or slippery roads where quick speed changes may be needed. 7. Parking brake. Some drivers only use it on hills. Using the parking brake regularly can reduce strain on the transmission and help keep the mechanism working properly. 6. Air conditioning. Many people turn it off completely in winter, but running it occasionally helps keep seals lubricated and can reduce window fogging by removing moisture from the cabin. 5. Side mirrors. Mirrors are often adjusted too far inward, creating larger blind spots. Proper adjustment gives you a wider view of the lanes beside your vehicle. 4. Traction control button. Some drivers switch it off for everyday driving. In normal conditions, it should remain on because it helps maintain grip on slippery roads. 3. Headrests. They're not just for comfort. The top of the headrest should be close to the top of your head to help reduce the risk of whiplash in a rear-end collision. 2. Seat belts. A seat belt should fit snugly across your shoulder and chest, not under your arm or behind your back. Wearing it incorrectly greatly reduces its protection. And number 1. The steering wheel. Many drivers hold it too low or with one hand all the time. Keeping both hands in a balanced position gives you better control and faster reaction during emergencies. Using your car's features correctly doesn't just make driving easier, it makes every journey safer for you and everyone around you.